Hi, it's Sandra, and I just wanted to show you the latest haul that I got from Maniology. And I ended up going on there because they were having some sales, and I got a bunch of stuff, and I was actually going to buy more, but they were out of some of my favorite stamping polish. I wanted to get brown and green. The brown and the green that I like is Lily Pad, and Cocoa was the brown. And they're both out of stock, so I have to come back for that. But let me show you what I got. So, and I'm going to tell you that these plates, most of these plates are for giveaways. So, as you look at these plates, just remember that these will be in my future giveaways. So, I bought this one, and this is a fairly new plate. This is M296. And I thought it was cool because it has all these fruits on it. And they actually had a manicure that they had done with it. And I thought it was adorable. So I thought this would be really nice for a summer theme. So I got that one. It's called Tropical Punch. I got this one. And this is a little fish plate. And it's Maniology Coral Reef Alliance M293. And I'm not taking the plastic off these because I am going to give these away. So I thought that was really cute. I love this. Oh, here's a little diver and little coral reefs, it says, and the clownfish, some coral. I thought this was really cute. Okay. I also got this one. This is M249, and this is one of those abstract ones, but I thought it was cool. I thought there was a lot of possibilities with these. I love the full nail stamps, and I love all the little individual ones too. So there's that. I got this one. I think it's another abstract. Maniology 379. Pop art. I thought the full nails designs were cool, like the guitar. And little frame pictures. Thought those were cute. And then the last one I got was this one. And it's M433. And it just has a bunch of animals on it, which I thought were really cute. This little frog here. Just a whole bunch of little, like a yoga, bunch of animals doing yoga. Just a bunch of little animals. I think that's is that a dragon? Maybe. Oh, maybe hippo. It says yo yoga. So all these little, it's a yoga one. Look at the little cow. I thought that was really cute. And this is M433. I also got a couple of, can't even remember what I bought. Bought some, smudge-free top coat. I bought 2 smudge-free top coats. That's what I bought. So that was my latest haul. And not really a big haul, but I have to wait for my other stuff to come in again. So I just wanted to give you that little video of what I just bought. And don't forget that if you do buy something from Maniology, to please use my code NS10. And that'll give you 10%, and it'll give me a little commission so that I can continue my giveaways. So I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.